That's just interesting, trying to get the 47 onto the trailer. Fun times. Loaded up pretty good. This is definitely a decent find. It is a 47 Super Deluxe Coupe. Really not in that bad a condition, and I will get some pictures of the motor and video. This is definitely a good project. And it's back. Very nice. Aluminum radiator, performance carburetor, Chevy alternator, remote oil cooler / filter, updated distributor, and updated coil. It was converted to 12 volts. Nice. So we got the starter out of the coupe back there. Did a little bit of cleaning. She moves nice and smooth now. Cleaned it out, added a little bit of grease. And let's see if it'll work again. I mean, what can go wrong, right? And here we go. Let's see what we get. It's gonna work or not. She spins. Oh, here we go again. See if it actually works right. Maybe. We'll have to try it out. It's time to put it back in. Let's see if it works. And it's back in. This is fine. Let's see if the starter actually works now. Nice. Very nice. Let's give her a little bit of a try that. I don't think we have spark. Oh yeah. And it's alive. Bit of an update. We've got it running decently. Still got to fine tune the timing and the carburation, but let's see how it does on a cold start. Now let's take a little gander at the oil here, make sure it's got something in it, and good enough to start it. Go ahead and get that back in there. Now let's see how this thing's gonna start. Let's try that again. Here in the next week or so, we're going to have this thing running reliably and driving. Stay tuned. Today's adventure, go through the wiring, get it all tidied up, and at least we found a guide for it. This has got the easy wiring harness in it, so let's just see how easy it is. looking a lot better under the hood. Been using some convoluting wiring cover, getting her all covered up and cleaned up, tracing down wires, and it looks a lot better than it did before. So today was a good day. We got working brakes, got the wiring done, got a fuel leak fixed. Still got a little bit more wiring to do to get the headlights to work, tail lights, brake lights. But yeah, definitely moving forward, and this has been an interesting experience working on an old school flathead V8, and gotta say, pretty robust. Well, at least now it's got some gauges. Let's verify everything works. Here we go. Great success. We're running at about 185 degrees. Checked it with the phone. Seems to be getting better the more and more it runs. Got some gauges installed. Have not hooked up the oil pressure sender yet. We'll get to that eventually, but it's getting better. Soon this thing will be back on the road. Today's adventure, more wiring. Headlights and brake lights. Nice. Using that easy wiring harness. Seems to be going okay. They could do a little better job on wire identification. Their coloring scheme is a little off. Well, we got the headlights working and running lights. Had to run a relay, which is right up there. Because, yeah, that thin gauge wiring on the easy wiring harness here running the headlights, needed to be a little bit better than that. But we got that problem sorted out in here. Check that out. Very nice. Very nice. Got the gauge lights hooked up. Still got to mount the headlight dimmer switch. Points if anyone knows what that is. And finish running the brake light wiring. All in all, it's getting there, and hopefully by this weekend we'll have gotten this thing back on the road, at least with working brake lights and running lights and headlights. You ever go behind somebody's work that's been done previously to find out that they couldn't even tighten a nut on a very important part of the steering? Well, that's fine. Completely fine. So we had to go locate a driver's side taillight housing assembly, and this thing's pretty rotted. A little bit of Swiss cheese. It's not too bad on the back, but hold on. There's the Swiss cheese. So much fun. So today's plan is to get the two screws out so that we can clean the housing up, maybe do a little bit of repair on that. Get it reinstalled on the car. Let's go ahead and give it a chance for success. See if we can get her to move. Nope. Let's try the other one. What do we get? Nope. Great. Sometimes you gotta go for the fun method. Got that one. Now we got to get that one. that one's gone. Let's see if we can get it apart. Let's see. Will it actually come apart? Oop, don't want that. There we go. That's loose. That's loose. And what do you know? Seems like it wants to come out. Got it. Sweet. Now I gotta clean this up. And that housing. And we got it to this point. Looks pretty good. 1 second. Gonna have some fun here. Gonna drill out here, weld in that, then down here, drill that out so we can get some studs in it so we can remount it. Took a little bit of work, but we got it. Well, looks like our brake master here has to come back out. Now let's see what the problem is. Seems to be leaking out the front. Get it on video, but we took it apart, cleaned everything up. Let's see if she'll reseal again. And this was a replaced master cylinder, and it just sat dry for about a year or two. Had some gunk in it, moisture intrusion. Cleaned it up. We'll see if it'll seal. Everything's hooked back up, and it's not leaking. Very nice. Great success. And yes, we've already bled out the brakes. Well, got that one installed. Very nice. Hold on. Bam. This one installed, working great. Got a few other things installed. Bam. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Made a decent amount of progress on it, and she's ready to get back on the road. Got the hood ornament on, the headlights are working, brake lights are working, brakes are working. Got all the wiring done, but check this out. Here we go. Check that out. Got the seat installed. Very nice. Got the wiring all taken care of. We're going to get this thing down on the ground here shortly. Take her out for a drive and see how it does.